Hello everyone, welcome and welcome back to my channel. This video is an update about this hair that I've received from Eunice Hair back in October. I've been wearing this hair since October. It's 3 bundles of the Brazilian curly 16, 18, 20, 22 inches. I'll double check and make sure that hold on. It's 3 bundles of 16. Oh, this way. 3 bundles of 16, 18, 20, and 22 inches. I have a video on this hair. This one is just an update, just to show you how the hair has been holding on. I mostly wear this hair curly because of the way I have my hair underneath it. I don't have cornrows underneath, so I try to wear it just big only. If I put a lot of moisture on it and a lot of water and cream, it'll get very curly, and I have to have flat cornrows so people won't see how bulky it is underneath. But now it's super bulky underneath, so I prefer wearing it big. Let me show you how my hair looks underneath, what I'm trying to find while I'm trying to confirm the information on the hair. Let's see. I'll make sure I link the hair in the info box. I'll make sure I link the initial video in the info box. Yeah, I published the video about this hair October 16, but I've been wearing it before that date. So October, November, December, close to 3 months now since I have this wig. So far so good. The wig get pretty big if you don't put moisture on it, and when you put moisture on it, it gets super curly. In this video I'll show you how it looks when I put water on it and cream. Let's see. Yeah, I had 4 bundles. Hold on. Oh, I'll be right back. Okay, I'm back. Yes, I was saying, wait a minute, Lord. Brazilian curly 3 bundles. Hopefully you can see it somewhere in here. I'm wearing 16-inch, 18, 20, 22. I believe it was $179 the month that they sent me the hair. I don't know if their price has changed, but I'll make sure I link in the info box of this video the first video that I made about this hair. I also showed how the wig was made, and then I'll link the Eunice Hair Instagram and their website. I've been wearing it for almost 3 months. So far so good. This is what the hair does. The only thing the hair does is this: when you comb it out dry, when you comb it out wet, you barely get shedding. I like combing mine out dry so it can just get bigger and bigger and bigger, but when you do it wet, you barely get shedding from it. The cream that I use with water is this one to activate the curls better. Oops, Lord, how am I gonna show you that cream? You see it? You see it? You see it? Okay, here is the cream that I've been using to define the curls more. When I use this, mix it with water, the wig gets super curly, and I'll go ahead and do that for you in a few minutes. As you can see, the more I comb it, the bigger it gets. So I'll spray water on it, put the cream, and I'll be back. I just finished spraying water on it. Now I'm just putting the cream, and as you can see, we're getting the curls already. What is this? Yeah, as you can see, we're getting the curls already. I'll give it a little bit of time and then I'll be right back. Okay, I am done running my finger through it with the cream, and this is what I get as shedding. I do that once a week. I would co-wash it, comb it out, put the cream, and then finger comb it, and I would get something similar like once a week. And I've been wearing it for almost 3 months, and the wig is pretty big when it's dry. When it's wet, this is what you get. It's beautiful. I like it. See? Pretty. I'll go ahead and put it on and show you how it looks like when it's wet. Okay. Yep, this is how the wig look like when there's a lot of moisture on it. If I were to wear the wig like this on a daily basis, I would corner my hair flat so this part can be flatter. If you touch this, you're gonna feel my big braid somewhere in here, so that's why I mostly wear it big. I'll turn around and show you how. Oh, this is beautiful. I like it. Let me turn around and show you. Yeah, I believe that's it. Thank you very much to Eunice here for sending me this hair. They're about to send me more hair. It'll be a different texture. With this one, so far so good. It's been almost 3 months. All I get is just shedding. I didn't put bleach on it. I did bleach the closure and it bleached pretty well. I didn't bleach this hair. I didn't put flat iron on it because it's already curly. If I want straight hair, I'll just get straight hair. So far so good with it. I really like it, and it's very affordable. I still can't find the price it was when I first got the hair. I believe it was $100. Oh Lord. They probably went down or are charging more now, but I'll try to find it on Instagram and tell you how much this hair was back in October.
Where is it?
Yes, when I had this hair back in October, it was $179 for 3 bundles. Let's see. $179 for 3 bundles of 16, 18, 20, 22 inches. The 16 is the closure. 18, 20, 22 inches are the bundles of the Brazilian curly. I'll go ahead and leave it in the info box. I checked their website. Seems like they have went out of a few length. I don't know where they put them back in, but go ahead and check their website and check this hair out. They're gonna be sending me straight, I believe, so stay tuned for that video. And then that's it. Thank you very much for watching.